Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate a new hard drive on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's say you have added a new hard drive or SSD drive to your Windows 10 operating system and you want to see that hard drive into your PC. So let's say you have added the new drive and it's not showing up with the new letter E, let's say. So in my case, I have this local C drive and D drive, and let's say I have added a new hard drive which is not showing up here. How to activate that drive we are going to see right now. So I'm going to just minimize this, and first of all what you need to do is you need to go to your search bar and search for partition, and when you just type few letters of partition, you will be able to see this option which says create and format hard disk partitions. So I'm going to just click on this option, and once this window opens, I'm going to just maximize this window so you can see it in a better way. So most probably whenever you install or whenever you add a new hard drive or a SSD drive into your Windows 10 operating system, it's going to show up here at the bottom. But in my case, I'm going to show you how to do the same. The steps will be exactly the same which I am going to show you, but your drive will appear here at the bottom. Okay, so once you see your drive, it will say unallocated. Okay, so just go to that space where you will see your drive with the amount of memory. It will show how much GB it has, and it will show unallocated, and on the top you will be able to see black bar here. Okay, so just right click on that new hard drive and then click on new simple volume. Again, your hard drive may appear here at the bottom and not on this right side of this C drive. So wherever you see unallocated, and if it shows the amount of space which your hard drive actually have, then just click on that drive and make sure it's black on the top, and then click on new simple volume. And here first of all you will see this setup wizard. I'm going to just click on next, and then you can match whatever amount of space hard drive you have added to your system. So if it's 1 terabyte, then it will show 1 terabyte here. In my case, it shows 73 GB space here. So just leave everything as default and then click on next. And here you will be able to choose the letter for your drive. So in my case, the letter C and D is already allocated to some drives. So the next logical letter here appears, which is E. So I will just leave it as E. But you can also change these letters to other letters, for example F or G. And then I will leave everything as default and click on next. And here you need to make sure that the file system here is anti-FS. You don't want to choose exFAT or any other file system. Just make sure that the file system here is anti-FS. And volume label. So volume label, you can give any name to your volume label, for example data disk, and this name will appear besides your drive letter. Okay, so E, and then it's going to show you this label, and then leave everything as default and then click on next, and then click on finish, which is going to format this data, and you will see this message which will pop up here, and it will say data disk E, and it's going to show you this message, and it says data disk C is now activated. So you can now just close this window, and then I'm going to once again open my this PC section window here, and you can see new data disk appears here with the letter E, right? So this is how you can activate a new hard drive on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.